Shabbat Shalom. In this portion, we can see the importance of being counted. The census served as a crucial step in the organization of the Israelite camp. This morning, I was thinking that when they got out of Egypt, they all came as a separate, I mean, the whole group. But after the census is that when they start getting organized. And the way they were organized, we can see that, like it says that Aharon and Moshe and Aharon were in the front, and then the Levite tribe was around the camp, okay? And then we got like three sets of tribes, and we can see that each set has they all have their own flag, okay, according to their names and to the stones that they have. So the stone for Judah is according to the what that was the color that it means, but it also has an emblem for each tribe. And the important to see on this one is that it says that they all move at the same way that they were set up. They were not just who goes first, whoever wants to go first. There was a order that it was established. So when they camp and when they go out, except of course when they were going to war. That's different. That's a different story. But this census served as a give each tribe an individuality, but also you can see them as a whole, the whole tribe. And sometimes we were asking how many people were Moshe dealing with, and this is something that I come up with. No, that says if there were 600,000 men, warriors, okay, and let's go with the minimum. He must have another brother or a sister. Then he has a father and a mother, okay. So that's about 5 person, including the warrior, right? Okay, 5 person times 600,000. That was a minimum of 3 million people dealing with Moshe. This something that we have to keep in mind when sometimes people tend to judge Moses. Hey, but look at the burden that he had in his shoulders. More than 3 million people that came, and this is just the Israelites, not the other nations that came with them, the other slaves that say, hey, I don't want to be a slave. I rather be with these guys out too. So they went out. So this census also give they find out that they were being guided by Hashem, okay? And like Reuben says, each member of the Levi was counted from month on, and the other one from 20 years on and above, okay? But the thing is that each one was counted. Each one was counted. And it's like we are here. Each one of us was called. We're not taken out of a hat. We're not taken out of the street. Each one has our own call, and that's why we are here. So we had to be blessed to be counted, and he did. Yes, he did call us by name. The same thing that he called the Rosh, and this and I'm here. I'm going to make a correction. There were not princes, there were not leaders, there were Rosh. That's the correct number in the Hebrew. It's Rosh. It's a Rosh of each tribe. So that means that they all have an order, And that's what we have to always have to have in our life. We have to have order into what we do. Not just when we come here, we just don't come over here and yeah, okay, I'm here, I'm gonna sit. No, we have to be our soul, our body has to be, our body's here, but we need to make sure that our soul and our thoughts are here too, not just my body, because my body could be here, but my soul is somewhere else, thinking about a problem, thinking about something that I have to do or that I forgot to do. So we have to be here is completely body and soul. To that.